Good morning, good afternoon, buenas tardes, boa tarde. We are here today for a special on Spain. We have Sandra Jimenez, Director of Sales from the Almanac in Barcelona, which is also where I am from.
Yeah.
I'm right on your rooftop. And then Jordi Laseca, the founder of Destination Spain and Portugal. So we're going to start by Sandra to give a little review of the Almanac that I'm sure everybody knows, but it's nice to have latest news. And so Sandra, this is yours.
Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to start. So thank you very much for your time and to all of you. I want to show you the Almanac Barcelona. Almanac Hotels is a new luxury hotel brand. It was opened on February 2018. And it's a new hotel brand because the owner is from Vienna, from Austria, and he wanted to create his own hotel company because he is the owner of other two properties in Prague and Zagreb. And this is the first Almanac Barcelona. Next year, hopefully we will open Almanac Vienna, and then the two properties on Prague and Zagreb will be rebranded to Almanac too. Okay, so hopefully we can have a small collection of the hotels across Europe. Okay, so the first Almanac Barcelona is just located in the city center. It has the best location in the city because we are just a few steps from Paseo de Gracia. It's the best luxury street in the city, where are the luxury boutiques across the Paseo de Gracia. Okay, so here you can see on the left that we have two buildings. One is modern outside and the other is classic building, but inside is just one hotel. Okay, because the owner bought both buildings and it was completely new inside and outside. Okay, so here we have the lobby. It's an amazing hotel because we are a boutique hotel with 91 rooms, but the public spaces, they are very big with a lot of daylight and beautiful spaces. Okay, so here you have the lobby, and also you can see the details during the presentation because, for example, we have on the entrance of the hotel a big table with an amazing flowers that our atelier change every week. Okay, and also we have different flowers across the public spaces of the hotel. Other part of the lobby, you can see the design is beautiful. It was done by Jaime Beristain. He's very famous architect and interiorist here in Spain. And also he has done another luxury properties in the city. Then we have 91 rooms and suites, 30 of them are suites. Okay, and let me show you our standard room, the Almanac. It has 32 square meters. So it's a standard room in a luxury hotel in the city center, which is bigger, okay, than the other hotels. And this is beautiful. You can see the window is just in Gran Via, and the view is amazing. Then also Almanac is a very technological company. So we provide to our guests with a mobile phone, and all the international and national calls are free of charge. Okay, and also we have on a small screen, and everybody can control everything here, curtains, lights, everything they need. Okay. Then the bathrooms is everything marble. So the materials that we have used at the hotel, they are very high quality and they are lovely. Yeah. Then we have the junior suites. This is one of my favorites. They are beautiful. All of them are on the classic building, and all the junior suites, they have two windows, as you can see, and with a small balcony. Okay, they are bigger, and in this case we offer bath and shower in all the junior suites. Then we offer the Almanac suites. The Almanac suites are perfect for families because all of them, they are connected with an Almanac room. So for families until 5 people, they are a perfect option for that. And you can see the living of the suite. Also beautiful. And then on the 7th floor, we have all terrace suites and the penthouse. This is an example of the terrace suites, all of them with a small living, a terrace, and the view is amazing too. So here you can see another example of the terrace suite. In this case, the same. We have bath and we have shower in all the terrace suites too. And then our super penthouse is located also on the 7th floor. and it has a living room and also a meeting. So families can have breakfast, lunch, or dinner in the room. And also it has a beautiful terrace outside. So the room, it has around 125 square meters, so it's quite big. Then in the restaurant, we have Videns. We have an agreement, a collaboration with Rodrigo de la Calle. He's very popular and famous chef in Spain. And he has 1-star Michelin in a restaurant in Madrid. And we created Videns. It's a healthy and plant-based Mediterranean cuisine. Okay, it's delicious. It was open on February 2020. Then, as everybody knows, we had to close due to the pandemic. And then hopefully we'll be open next September. The 20th of September will be open again. So it's great news. Okay. Here's some examples of the dishes that we offer there. And then also next to the Videns, we have the bar, which is all day open. And also we have a small menu. So clients can take salad or burger and snacks on the time that they want. Okay. And also, of course, we have room service 24 hours. Then here, our super rooftop terrace, where is Dominique at this moment. It's located on the 8th floor, and it's perfect because we have one interior part and one exterior part. So for winter, we can use the terrace, and actually we offer many cocktails, private events, or even for individual clients, they enjoy the terrace in winter season. So that's perfect. The view is amazing because we are just in the city center. And we have also a nice swimming pool, which is just for the clients staying at the hotel. It's a private area for them. Okay, also beautiful. Yeah. And then we have a small wellness also included in the rate of the room, which has a small sauna and hammam, and also a room for treatments. And also we have a room for treatments for 2 people, for couples. So that's wonderful. Yeah, and fitness center also 24 hours open at the hotel. Then just a briefing. I want to tell you that Almala Hotel is the luxury property. We won the best hotel in Spain and Portugal by Condé Nast Traveler. The location is perfect, and we have many details as the atelier. Also, we have our own amenities. We have an incredible service, and also the size of the room and the technological part. So I think it's a perfect property for your clients. So I will share with all of you the presentation and my contact details, and anything you need, just let me know. Okay, so thank you very much. And also I want to tell you something just to finish, that we are very well prepared for the COVID, and we have in all the departments all the measures that we need to put in place. Okay.
Thank you very much, Sandra.
Thank you very much. Thank you.